guys, welcome to this spring lookbook video. I purchased the boots from F&F and the skirts and jumper are both from Shein. The top and skirt are both from Shein and I purchased the boots from F&F. I purchased the cardi and bag from TK Maxx and I purchased the coat from F&F. The boots are the same boots as before. The skirt I purchased from Shein and I purchased the blouse from Zara. I purchased the cardigan from TK Maxx. I purchased the shoes from Matalan, I purchased the jeans from New Look and I purchased the top from Zara. Hi guys, I hope you enjoyed the video and please feel free to comment, rate and subscribe and I'll see you in my next video.